Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can create text to images. Yes, and it's completely free. So we'll be using a free tools that's called Canva. Yes, Canva is free. Also you can use a paid version completely as a trial mode. Yes, Canva is a graphics tools. You will see the lots of facilities over there, but nowadays AI can changes anything. So in Canva you will see different kind of AI extension where you can use like a prompt. You can generate many images from text prompt. Also you can generate different videos. Today's video gonna very special. If you are looking for images for your project or your fun project or also for your business purposes, so let's dive in. So before that, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you don't have any pro account, don't worry at all. You don't need to spend any single penny. Okay, so just you have to make a trial. Okay, so you will see the lots of tools where you can access as a trial mode. So similar Canva, so you can trial for 1 month, and when you log in your account you will see the Magic Studio, projects, templates, brands and apps. So click on apps. So our target to generate different kind of AI images, and first of all in the app section you will see DALL-E, DALL-E.E. generate Facebook images and bring your vision to life with just text prompt. AI creates custom visuals for your design projects. So here you can see very fantastic, a cat going scuba diving. Okay, so very straightforward. Just click on generate images. So when you click on generate images, it will come up like this, and you will see two options: use in existing design or use in new design. That's mean if you have any already designed, you can use onto that one. If you want to new design, so just click on use in new design. Okay, so click on use in new design. So use in new design, you will see the different kind of options where you can customize it as you want. Suppose if you want to publish in your Instagram, so you have to find out the Instagram post. If you want to upload in your Facebook, so click on Facebook post. All right, I think you understand the better option. Okay, and I'm going to choose Instagram post is square 180 into 180. So Canva will generate a blank space, and we'll have some options where we can input or give a text prompt that can generate images, and it will be over there. Okay, so it's totally empty now. All right, it's a DALL-E.E inside Canva. So first section you will see the start with a detailed description. So our text should be over there. Okay, so you can write anything over there and just click on generate. And let's couple of things you have to know that. Try an example with made with DALL-E.E. That's mean it's a horse riding astronaut digital art, and while painting on that kind of a AI prompt. Okay, so you can select and you will see the similar kind of project. Okay, and the surprising me, and which is really surprised me, just click on that and you will see the painting of box in the style of the Starry Night. So if you don't want to like this, just click on another one, photography of the astronaut riding on a horse, photorealistic rendering a dragon flying over a muddy city. So if you want to generate this, okay, first of all I will click on generate, and let's see. You can see the two options over there. All right, so dragon flying over a medieval city. You can drag and drop, increase the sizes. Also you can increase the other thing. Okay, so that's it. So just click on write and set image as background. Wow, set image as background. Okay, so I'm not happy to see the dragon flying over the medieval city, but so let's try another one. So what should I write? A girl in the dark forest. I don't know why. So let's generate. All right, so it looks pretty horror, this one, first one, and the second one. Let's click on the second one and set image as background. Oh, it's totally horror, so I'm not going to see this again. So let's go back and click on the funny one. Okay, a dog wearing hat and black glass. Okay, let's click generate. Wow, it's pretty cool. The first one, and the last one. Okay, the second one also. Alright, so let's find it. Okay, so this is the first one and the second one. Which one is better? Alright, so first one and the second one. So I think both are really cool. So it's really easy to give any kind of command and just generate, and you will see the different kind of variation. So it's depend on your text or prompt. Okay, so whatever in your mind, just write it here and click on generate. That's it. It's pretty simple. Okay, so I hope this video gonna help you if you are a beginner to create a images, AI images. So Canva can help you a great way with daily.ee. So let's try it out. Okay, so if you love this content, please give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will come back with another new tools and different kind of money making content. So till then, have a good day. Tata, bye bye.